Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Indani Art and Crafts. So today I'm back with a new video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY unique wall hanging that is very easy and very unique to make, and you can make it easily at your home with only less things. So let's get start with the procedure, but before starting it's my humble request that guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And yes, like, share and do comment if you like the video in the comment section below. So let's just start with the procedure without any delay. So first take here a hard cardboard, and I have drawn here a two circles beforehand, and I have drawn here the inner circle of 7 centimeter, and from the same point I have drawn the outer circle of 10 centimeter. Now I'm gonna cutting it using scissors. So cut inside and outside circle both. Now I have cut the inner circle. Now I'm gonna cut the outside one circle. So I have cut it both the circles, inner one also and outside from the cardboard. Now let's cover the circle. So I have taken here a crepe paper and I have bought this from my local store. Also you can take, if you don't have this crepe paper, so you can use wool to cover the circles. So take here Fevicol and add it in the some portion first, and at the back also at the same portion. So now take its one end and keep it on the first part, and slowly catch it like this and just cover whole the part. So now I have covered half part and just this 1/4 part left. So I'm gonna take another one crepe paper and just again I'm putting it like this as I've shown you in the first part. So now I have covered the ring all over at the back and at the front. See, now just this we will decorate it using butterflies. First of all, take here any square paper of any size, of any color, rough paper. So now fold the paper into half and we will draw here a butterfly at one of the end. Like this, using pencil, and cut it. Now I have cutted the butterfly. Now take here the two square paper of size 6 by 6 centimeter, and now fold one of the square paper into half like this, and take the roughly drawn butterfly and keep it like this, and using pencil trace it half part, and fold this one again and keep it inside this and cut together using scissor. Now I have cutted both the butterflies. So take here a black sketch pen and just do the highlighting of the butterfly. And one of the butterfly, draw its antenna like this, and see I have done it on the other one butterfly too. So now take here Fevicol and add Fevicol in the first one butterfly in the center, and fold this butterfly back and forth and just keep it in the center and let it stick together for a while. So now my butterfly is completely dried. Now from this end and this end, bring it on the top like this. So the total butterflies I have created here is number of 14s. So first we will give a shade to this orange one butterfly. So take here a orange color pencil one shade and just give it little despotic color, and at the back too. See, I have shaded the wings of the butterfly at the back and at the front. Stick these or butterfly on the circle ring. So now I have heated my glue gun here, and one by one using my hot glue gun I am gonna stick these butterfly on the ring as I am showing you. Follow the process. You can also stick these butterfly using Fevicol, but for the fast sticking I am using here hot glue gun. See, I have attached half of the butterfly, so see how beautiful it is looking at the half only. So you can also try this at your home. See, I have sticked all the butterflies and 2 left also, and I have it is and the size is so okay that you can hang it on the wall and it will look so gorgeous. So I hope you all like the video, so don't forget to like and do like and give your feedback in the comment section below and tell me how did you like the wall hanging, and also you can comment down there your request video whatever you want.